Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. I'm so excited to have you guys back for another video. Today we're doing the second part of a decorate with me, which is going to be my front porch and the entryway. If that is anything you're interested in seeing, stay tuned guys. I was so excited to get this video out for you guys because this is actually everything turned out so pretty and I was like, oh my god, I can't wait for everyone else to see it. Let me know what is your favorite part in the video. Let me know what you liked, what you thought I could do better. I know my front porch have some peelings on the doors, but HOA does not allow me to change the color. If it was up to me, this color would have been changed long time ago, so I have to go ahead and look for the exact same color and repaint it. But nonetheless, everything turned out so pretty. I'm decorating my front porch today with everything that I already have in my house. Nothing would to be changed in that. I believe in using the things you already have, just adding a little bit here and there and making it into your style. But I truly loved how everything turned out. These little trees from the collaboration I had few years with King of Christmas, and I was super excited to bring it out. And yeah, let's continue watching it guys. I love this scarf that I got a few years back. I decided to bring it out here so that it can be a little bit festive. So we are going to go ahead and plug in these trees now. We have light on the first tree, and let's go for the second tree. We got light on the front porch, and I was just like in awe. I know I bring it out every year, but I was like, oh, I just love how simple, how whimsical. It literally felt like a Hallmark movie without all the frou, the shishi. It was just simple. Now let's go inside and decorate. This is my very first time doing the stair railing, and guys, I tried my best. It's not perfect. I could have done a little bit better, I know that for sure, but let me know what you guys think. My goal was to make here very whimsical, and I thought adding the red bows on the what is it called, the swag of the stair railing was going to be really pretty. And guys, I think I nailed it out of the park, because as soon as the kids saw this and hubby saw that, he was just like, wow, it was really pretty. And I know my stair case is really narrow, but you can literally see this coming out of the front door, which is exactly what I wanted. And guys, are you decorating with red this year? Are you doing anything that is traditional Christmas, or are you sticking to whatever you have already done previously? This is literally my first year of adding red onto all my Christmas decoration like this, and I think I'm going to stick to it. It's not going to be a 2025 thing. It's going to be an every year thing, unless I change my mind. Now let's go back to the entryway. If you're here and you're still watching, please leave a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I love the way this turned out. Now we are going to move on to this beautiful, oh my God, candle holder. I thought I was going to use it on the other side of the entryway table, but I figured that this side is much better. So I moved it this side, and I truly loved it. This is exactly my style. It's simple, beautiful, candle holder in an animal form. It literally looks like the designer, but this is a dupe, and I got it from Ross. And I was trying to see if I can find another one to link for you guys, and I'm going to leave it down below. If not, go ahead to your local Ross. You can literally find designer items there. They're just a dupe, Let me share a little tip and tricks with you guys here. If you have candle holders that do not hold your candle properly because the candle is too small or whatever, go ahead and use a little paper towel. Put some water in it and put it at the end of your candle, and you'll be able to insert it inside. And I'm telling you, it works perfectly. However, at Amazon, they have little things that you can stick on there, and I can link them below for you guys to make your candle hold. As you guys can see the smile on my face, I was so happy to, finalize this. It just looks really pretty to me. So I had a little idea to put a bow to the reindeer, and I think it turned out so beautiful. What do you guys think? I think it made this entryway super festive, because apart from that and the little berries sticking out of the garland, it was pretty neutral here. So having the red on the neck of the reindeer, oh my God, I think it's one of my favorite things right here at the entryway. I think he's He screams festive, and I'm gonna nickname him a little boy, so I think it's a boy. He screams very festive with his little bow tie. What do you guys think? Do you like the bow, or should I leave it naked? I really like it. Guys, you have to stay tuned for the entire house tour. This is what the holidays are made of. A beautiful decorated home that brings joy and happiness to the family. Your family gathering around you, and don't forget the reason for the season. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. We celebrate his birth for a reason. We are not done decorating this house, so definitely stay tuned for more videos coming your way. If you truly like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. I truly appreciate you being here throughout this whole year, and we are ending this video on a great note for another video. God bless you guys. See you guys until the next one. Bye bye, y'all.